Angelo. Unahan ko sino masabi yung pangalan. So,
Kaya lang talaga yun. Richie. So, good afternoon to everyone. And to the family, thanks for letting us do this for Red. Honestly, when we found out about it, we couldn't believe it. Actually, said parang, oh, baka prank. Everybody thought it was really a prank until tawagin mo, normally mabilis siyang sumagot sa Viber. He replies fast sa Viber group namin. And then, when Derek found out, talagang there was silence. Nobody could believe it because everybody was just looking forward for him to come home. They're going back to our younger days. Red was serious. He was serious with what he had, with what he has, with everything in the relationship, everything. I remember siya yung may pinaka-confidence sa kanila ni Bobby. And siya rin parang tumatay yung kuya nila. Siya yung he was the one serious in as well. Marami siyang nakakaawa in a sense because of his professionalism. He's, if he wants it done, he will do it. And he wants everybody to be on the same page. As much as we were saying that he messes up his lines because of the way he talks, the kids doesn't know what bulol means. Stutter. Because he couldn't pronounce the letter R properly. And may red ang pangalan niya. So,
and then the names of the children.
And the names of the children. So really, mamaya, can you tell us how he calls you? But like that, so he was the best. If you're a girl, he's the best guy friend you could ever have. He'll be there for you. He'll protect you. He'll tell you straight up what's wrong with you, and he will be the one to stand up for you. Wala kami masyadong, we don't have a lot of memories unlike the guys because they were the ones always, having not the showbiz side, but not the working atmosphere type. But he was a great guy. He wasn't perfect, we'd also see him sometimes as nakakainis because he just wants to do what he wants to do, and he's also stubborn. But his stubbornness was always because he wants to be the best. And he had so many plans. I remember sa mga Batang Pasay, he ran. He ran for office because he wanted to change something. So he has that. He has big plans, not just for himself, but for the people around him and for his community. And I remember he got so upset because he wasn't able to win. But there was something that inside of him that wanted to prove something, that his place could be a better place. And just doing this now with everyone brings back memories. Of course, we would have wanted to meet you with him by your side so that he can be the one to tell us how great you guys are. Because it was just still so private when it comes to you guys. But every time when we're able to talk to each other on Viber, when we reconnected, he's just happy that you guys were there. And he was looking forward to bringing you guys here and meeting us and everything. And like Direk said, God has other plans. But all I want you to know is that Red lived a full life. He lived his life the way he wanted to, the best way he can. And he was just always thinking about you guys. So, thank you.